Hello. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to install Sound Studio free WordPress theme on your hosting, in your account, in your WordPress theme. First of all, please go to your WordPress admin area, click your username and password and login. If you have latest version of your WordPress, you can start your installation process. In other case, I have not latest version, I'll upload newest version of WordPress. Please click on please update now, then update. And everything is okay now. I have latest version of WordPress 5.8.1. Okay, what we should do the next? You should go to your plugin section. Then we can upgrade plugins too, both. And now we should install Classic Editor plugin. Click on Add New. You can find Classic Editor, I have it here, or you can search Classic Editor and you'll find it here. This plugin, click install it, then click activate. Now, what we should do the next, we should install special plugin for WP migration. It called all-in-one WP migration. Click on all-in-one migration and you find all-in-one. Now we should click on add new and then search all-in-one migration, and we should install all-in-one WP migration plugins in your WordPress. Click install, then activate, and now we can by one click install our Sound Studio WP theme. For this, please go on all-in-one WP migration and click on import. Here you will see maximum upload file size. I have 512 megabits. I can upload in my template this size of files. If you have 2 megabits, you should ask to your host provider set maximum upload file upload size in your hosting. It should be approximately 50, not 550 megabytes, because template size, Sound Studio template size is 50 megabytes. If you have no problem with upload sizing, you can click on import from, then click on file, and then find template package which you have downloaded in your computer. I have it here and I'll find it. I have it here free, just a moment. I should find it. Sound Studio free, it's here. I found template package and then go to installation package, then go to your folder named import and click WP import, select this file and click open and just start installation process, importing process. It depends how fast your server is. Then click proceed. Just wait a few seconds, and your site has been imported successfully. That's fine. Just save permalinks structure. Click on. We should go to permalinks. Click on post name. Click on one time save change and click second time save changes. That's all. We can see template has been installed successfully, and it works with latest version of WordPress perfectly. Home, about us, who we are, our team, and so on. Service, and everything is okay now. Everything works fine. That's all. Please let us know if you need any further information or help from us. Thank you. Bye.